Hi, my name is Vladimir, and in this tutorial I will show you how to disable crossplay on Xbox Series. To begin, go to Settings, press on General and then on Online Safety and Family. Press on Privacy and Online Safety, choose Xbox Privacy, select View Details and Customize, go down and press on Communication and Multiplayer. Press on the menu below You can join cross-network play and choose Block. That's it. From now on you will only be matched with other Xbox players and the crossplay will be disabled. If you ever want to enable crossplay again, you can change this setting back at any time. Simply repeat the steps and choose Allow instead of Block. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Click the notification bell if you want to get notifications, and thank you for watching. Please feel free to ask in the comment section below if you have any questions regarding this procedure.